Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the page itself, so sign in and open the site you control. Once done, locate the page in the site editor or the live site view. That determines the link you'll copy. Make sure the page is published. Unpublished edits create draft-only URLs. If you're in the new Google Sites, use the pages list to pick the target. This step prevents accidental sharing of the wrong draft, and it ensures the link you copy will be accessible to your audience. Now focus on extracting the correct URL. If you're viewing the live site, the browser address bar holds the canonical link, select and copy it. If you're inside the editor, click Publish and then View. The resulting address is the public URL you want. Also check the Share or Publish settings to confirm visibility. Anyone with the link, specific people, or organization only. Knowing this avoids permission errors. If you need a shortened URL, use your preferred. Finish by pasting the URL where your audience expects it, email, chat, or a document. Once shared, make sure recipients can open it. If someone reports a 403 or 404, double-check that the site is published and the visibility is correct. If problems persist, open an incognito window or sign out and test the link yourself to see what a public user experiences. Make adjustments to sharing settings as needed. Then resend the verified link so everyone can access the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.